Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's part 5 of our discussions about roofs, and we are still in roof by footprints. Now today we're going to discuss different types of roofs. Like for example, yesterday we have done this Dutch gable roof, and we will do it reverse. We will do Dutch hip roof. And then next that we're going to make is Mansard roof, and then this Gambrel roof, and if possible that we can do up to dormer, we will discuss anything about dormer. Guys, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Alright guys, let's get started. Now guys, my Revit is open, and now what I'm going to do next is we're going to open this hip, gable, and Dutch roof that we have done yesterday. I'll open it. Now guys, my Revit is open, and next that I'm going to do, I'm going to delete this roof that we have created yesterday, and we will do it reverse. I'll delete it, and then delete this roof also, and also those walls that we have created also. And then next that I'm going to do, I'm going to open roofs. I will open these roofs, double click from project browser, and now I'm going to do is I'm going to make a roof. Then from architecture tab and this roof ribbon, I'll go to this footprints, roof by footprints. And then next that we'll do is I'll go to this pick a line. I'll pick a line, and then I'll make an offset of 1 meter, and then I'll pick it here, and then pick it here also, and then pick it here, and then pick it there. And then next that I'm going to do is we're gonna trim to extend the corners. So I'll trim to extend here, and then trim to extend in this portion, also here and here. Now next we're gonna select this both two, and then I'll uncheck this define slope and check it, and then we need to finish it. We'll finish it, finish edit mode, and then in 3D it is like this, and it is offset to 1.5, so we'll just make it 0, and then there is our roof. Okay guys, next that I'm going to do is we'll do the same. We'll edit again this roof, and we're going to cut it. I'll cut it from our roof level, and then I'll cut it also at 1.5, and then apply, and then now it's cut. And then I go to roof, back to roof, and then in roof we're going to draw again another roof, and now I'll go to roof by footprints, and then what I'm going to do is I'll pick a line, pick this line, and then pick this line, and again I'm going to draw a line only, and draw it from here to here, and then another one. I'll skip once, and then line here to here, and then there, and then in 3D it is like this. That's it. It's very easy guys. So we have this Dutch hip roof. Yesterday we did this Dutch gable roof. Now it's Dutch hip roof. Now next that we're gonna do, we're going to join this again. We'll join it. Join. And then I'll join it there. And here. Now there is our roof. Okay guys, that is very simple. And next that we're gonna do is we're going to make a mansard roof. So we're going to delete this also. And delete this. And then I'll go to roofs. And then in roof, I'm going to make roof by footprints. So I'll make roof by footprints. And then what I do is again I'm going to select these peak lines, and this time we're going to make an offset of only around 0.3. And then what I'm going to do is just pick a line and pick it here, pick it also here, here, and here. And then we'll go to trim extend corner, and then trim extend here, and then here, and here, and then this one, and here. And then we're gonna check this one, finish. Okay, and then we go to 3D, and again this is offset by 1.5. We'll make it 1. We'll make it 0 offset. Apply. And now down to this roof that we have created. Now next that we're gonna do is we're gonna change this angle of this roof. We'll change the angle. This is slope, and then we'll make it 70 degrees, and then apply. Very high. So next we're going to cut this roof. I'll cut this roof, and what I'm going to do is go to cut level, cut off level, and make it again roofs, and then make the cut maybe 1.5 also, and then apply. And then what we're gonna do from this is we're going to make maybe 2 cut plumb and make this one 0.30, and then apply. It's better this 2 cut plumb, make it 2 cut plumb and make it 0.30, and then there. And then next we're going to this south elevation, and then in south elevation we need to move this, move to align. I will align it, align from this side, and then I'll align it here, and then in 3D it is like this. And then next that we're gonna do is we're going to make again a roof. So we'll go back to this roof, and then in roof we're going to make another architecture roof by footprints. So I'll go to this roof by footprints, and what I'm going to do is again need to offset this by 1.5, and let's check our slope. Our slope should be also 30 degrees slope. Or it's not showing, so what I'm going to do is just pick this line, and then this line. This is 30 degrees also showing there, and this line and that line. And then okay, now let's finish this again. Finish, and then in 3D it is like this. Now again it's not touching that because it's lower. We make this one lower a little bit, so we go to south, and then we're going to move this, move from here. We'll place this one up to there, and there, and Here is our Mansard roof. Okay, next that we will do is we need to join this together. We'll join it. We'll go to join, come here and then join this two. But there is still line, and then what we can do is to remove this line is just I think this is not aligned, so I'm going to align, and then this one will go back to south. It's not aligned again, and then here, and then in 3D it is like this. Now it is aligned. So now we're going to join again, join, and if there is still a line that is showing like that, we can remove that one by going to this line work LW in shortcut. So we'll go to this line work and then invisible lines, and then this line we just check it. Now it's gone. Again you go back here, then again there. Now there is no more line, and now this is our mansard roof. Now next that we're going to do, guys, is we're going to go into this another type of roof, which is gambrel roof. So I'm going to delete this roof that we have created earlier. I delete it, and then delete this, and then I'll go to south, and next that we'll do is we'll need to place a reference plane. I will make a reference plane that has an offset of 0.60, and then I'll just go to this line, and then offset of 0.60. I'll make a reference line here, reference line here also, and also we need a reference line here and a reference line here also. So what I'm going to do is just need to go here and touch this one, and also and here also, and so that our reference line is good looking. So here is our reference line, and here, and now that is now next that I'm going to do is we're going to name this reference line, this one reference line. I name this one ref 1, and then okay. Now I'm going to this side. This is west side, and I double click this to open that west side. And then in west side we need to draw our, I'm introducing it to you another type of roof. It is roof by extrusion. So we're going to make a roof by extrusion, but first I'm going to make a reference line again, a reference line here at the top. So I'm going to make a reference line of maybe 3 meters, and then offset it to 3 meters, and here I think it's very high, but it's okay. This is just only sort of example. And then next that I'm going to do is I'll go to this roof, and we will make a roof by extrusion. And then in work plane we will select the work plane that we have created, this reference one, and then okay, and then okay. And then next is we're gonna make this start and reduce arch. So I'll make this one, and I'll just go around maybe degrees and make a little bit like this, and then okay, just accept this, and okay, and then I want to change this type of roof, and I'm going to make a little bit smaller one. I'll select this generic 125, and now that is our roof, and in our edit type I'm going to duplicate this, and I'm going to name this one Gambrel roof. And then okay, and then I go to edit, and in edit I'm going to this structure material, I click this one, and then this builder button, I click it, and then I'm going to select this wood shake. Okay, and then I'll just select it, bring it up. There is already there, and then okay, and then okay, and then apply, and then okay. Then next that we're gonna do is we'll make a mirror. We will mirror this mirror, and I'm going to select this middle. Maybe I'll make a line, select a middle here, and there, and then I'll go to this 3D, and there is our work, and then in top view roof there is our work, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to align this. Just click this one and go to this align or AL by shortcut, and I'm going to align this one there, and then also this and here, and now it's like this. Now next that we're going to do is we're going back to roof, and we'll make a roof. So I go back to architecture tab, and then click this roof by footprints, and then in roof by footprints I'm going to select this line, pick a line, I'll pick this line, and then I'll pick this line, and then make another line, just a line, and then I'll just pick it here, and then also here also, and then let's finish this, and then in our 3D it is like this, and what we're gonna do, we're going to this south elevation, and then we will move this up to the top of this roof. So move first, I'll move this one because it's disturbing. I'll place it up, and then I'll move this, move, and from here I'll select the top of that one, move again, and then in 3D it is like this. You can make this one a little bit flat, you can flat it. We'll make this one around, I think 20 degrees, and then apply. Now it is like this. Now again, next we'll gonna join these two, join, if still there is a line showing, so we can again remove that. I think we need to again align this here. We go back to south, and then there is some small gap. I align it here and there, and then in 3D it is like this. And then try to join. Oh, the line is still there. So what I'm going to do is, again, we can remove that by going to this line work, LW, and then again touch this one, and again touch it, and then again touch this, and again touch it, and there it is, our Gambrel roof. And then again, just as I said, if we can do dormer, I'm going to introduce a dormer to you guys. So I'll go back to our roof. I'll delete this one that we have created, delete it, and then I'll go back to roof, and then in roof I'm going to this what you call this, make a reference line. I'll make a reference line and reference plane, and reference plane here, and reference plane in this side, and then again DI, make this one at least around make it 4 meters, and then also DI, make this one exactly 4 meters. Okay. Now next that we're gonna do is we'll make a roof. Then I'll go to this roof by footprints, and we're going to create this same. We'll make a hip roof, and this hip roof will create this there is a defined slope is checked, and then okay, we don't need a overhang, we just make a square because we have already created our boundaries, and there is our roof. And then finish this, and then again in 3D it is like this, and then again we'll make this one 0, and then apply, and then again we'll go back to this roof, and then again this roof I'm going to edit the footprints. And what I'm going to do is we're gonna split this line. I'll split this line here, and then split the line here also, and then I'll just select this and remove this defined slope. And then next that we'll do, we're going to make a slope. I'll just make slope arrow from here to this middle, and also a slope arrow from this left going to that middle. And then next I'll select this both, and then I'll change this specify height at tail. I'll make this one a slope, and we will make our slope 20 degrees, and then apply, and then check, and then in 3D there is our dormer. Okay guys, that's it for today, and tomorrow we'll discuss again a lot of types of dormer. Okay guys, we'll see you on my next video. Fir Milenge. Bye bye.